Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to order Krispy Kreme online for delivery. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Krispy Kreme application, which of course I've done right here. How do you get Krispy Kreme? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Just go ahead and locate the search bar in those apps. Click on Krispy Kreme, and once you click on that, follow through the on-screen prompt to download and install. Once it's done install, it's going to take you right into the application itself, where you're going to be asked to either log in or to create a new account. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Krispy Kreme. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to order Krispy Kreme online for delivery. From this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen. You're going to find the order tab or the order icon. Go ahead and click on order, and it's going to take you right into the order window. So over here, you're going to see this option that says start an order. You have delivery and you have click and collect. So because this tutorial is centered on delivery, go ahead and set it to delivery. Now you're going to have to enter your UK postcode for delivery or shop collection, or you use a current location by clicking on that. So right here I've already entered the postcode, so I'm just going to click on search. This is my first available date, May 10th. So you can select another date if you want that. I'm just going to click on start your order for me to start my order. So I'm just going to select any of these products. I'm going to select this first one. That's the original glazed dozen. So from this window, I'm just going to have to click on add to basket. Now you see this, you added that to the basket. So from the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the basket icon. So click on that basket icon at the top right corner of your screen. And that takes you to this page. All right, so do you have a discount code? You can add a discount code if you want. You can add a gift card if you want. If you have rewards, you can apply your rewards. And once you're done, go ahead and click on proceed to checkout. That takes you to this window, contact information. That's it. So go ahead and click on proceed to shipping, and you're going to have to enter your shipping details. And after doing that, your first name, your last name, your telephone, and after doing all of that, the next step is going to take you to its payment method. So in the payment methods, you're going to add your payments method and proceed to make payment. So that's pretty much how you can order Krispy Kreme online for delivery. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.